Happy morning students. Today we are going to discuss about theorems. Now we are going to see theorem number 1, that is basic proportionality theorem. Short form is BPT or Thales theorem. First we see about the statement. If a straight line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. So we see a triangle ABC. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோன்னா ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன் ட்ரா பண்ணுறோம் which is parallel to one side of the triangle. ஸோ நம்ம எப்படி ட்ரா பண்ணியிருக்கோன்னா ஒரு parallel line அது எதுக்கு parallel-ஆக இருக்குன்னா பிசிக்கு parallel-ஆக இருக்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு லைன் ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கிறோம். It intersects the other two sides of the triangle. So we named that it as D and E and that line is L. Now you get an angle. So angle D is angle 1 and angle E is angle 2 and angle A is angle 3. And angle B is 1 and angle C is also 2. We can see angle B and D having the same measurement. Similarly, angle E and C having the same measurement. Given in a triangle ABC, a straight line L parallel to BC intersects AB at D and AC at E. Next, to prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Construction: draw DE parallel to BC. So now we put a tabular column. Number 1, statement and reason. So first thing is angle ABC is equal to angle ADE, which is equal to angle 1. So corresponding angles are equal. So already we know about the concept of corresponding angles because DE is parallel to BC. Then second one, angle ACB is equal to angle AED, which is angle 2. Same concept, corresponding angles are equal because DE is parallel to BC. Then third one, DAE is equal to angle BAC, which is equal to angle 3. So both triangles have common angle. So அந்த smaller triangle ADE பார்த்தாலும் அல்ல bigger triangle ABC பார்த்தாலும் நம்மளுக்கு ஏன்றது தான் common angle. Then fourth one, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE by angle similarity. So AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. Corresponding sides are proportional, which is implies AB is nothing but AB நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா AD plus DB ன்னு எழுதலாம் divided by AD, which is equal to AC எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா AE plus EC ன்னு எழுதலாம் AE plus AC by AE. So we are separating the denominator. So AD by AD plus DB by AD is equal to AE by AE plus EC by AE, which is implies AD by AD gets cancelled. So 1 plus DB by AD, which is equal to 1 plus EC by AE. So 1 and 1 gets cancelled. So DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. Taking reciprocals. So AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Hence we proved. Next, theorem number 2. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. If a straight line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. So we can see a triangle ABC. ஸோ நம்ம ஒரு லைன் சும்மா ட்ரா பண்ணியிருக்கோம் டி அண்ட் இ. நம்ம என்ன ஷோ பண்ணோன்னா கண்டிப்பாக இந்த லைன் வந்து பேரலல் லைனாக தான் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம சொல்லணும். Then we just extended one line from B to F. So given in a triangle ABC, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. To prove DE is parallel to BC. So DEயும் BCயும் parallel இருக்கு அப்படின்றது நம்ம prove பண்ணணும். Then construction, draw a line DF parallel to BC. Statement, reason. So first one, in a triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Construction, in a triangle taking D in AB and E in AC, so in a triangle taking F in AC. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, which is your equation number 1. So AD by DB is equal to AF by FC, which is your equation number 2 by Thales theorem. Next, third step is AE by EC is equal to AF by FC from equation 1 and 2. So AE by EC plus 1, AF by FC plus 1. We just adding 1 to both sides. So AE plus EC by EC is equal to AF plus FC by FC, which is equal to AC by EC is equal to AC by FC. So AC gets cancelled. So cancelling AC on both sides, which is implies EC is equal to FC. So EFCயும் FCயும் வேறு வேறு இல்லை, ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியாச்சு. So therefore F is equal to C. So Fன்ற பாயிண்ட்டும் Cன்ற பாயிண்ட்டும் வேறு வேறு கிடையாது, ரெண்டுமே ஒரே பாயிண்ட்டு. So F lies between E and C. Thus D is parallel to BC. So அப்போ D என்ற லைன் கண்டிப்பாக BCக்கு parallel தான் இருக்குது அப்படின்றத ப்ரூவ் பண்ணியாச்சு. Hence we proved. Next one is angle bisector theorem. The internal bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the opposite sides internally in the ratio of the corresponding sides containing the angle. So now we can see a triangle ABC. From the point A, we have drawn one line which is perpendicular to CB and that point is D. So D is the midpoint of BC. So we mark A is angle 1 and B is angle 2. Proof. Given in a triangle ABC, AD is the internal bisector. So to prove AB by AC is equal to BD by CD. Then construction, draw a line through C parallel to AB. So AB க்கு parallel ஒரு line draw பண்ணுறோம் from the point C. So extended AB to meet a line through C at E. So A to Dல ஒரு line இருக்குது, அதை extend பண்ணி அந்த Cன்ற line extend பண்ணாலே அதில் join பண்ணுறோம், அந்த point வந்து E. So that is also angle 1 and C is angle 2. Statement, reason. First one is angle AEC is equal to angle BAE, which is equal to angle 1. So two parallel lines cut by a transversal make alternate angles. So alternate angles are equal. Next, triangle AC is isosceles. Therefore, AC is equal to CE, which is equation number 1. So, in a triangle ACE, angle CAE is equal to angle CEA. Third one, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECD. So, AB by CE is equal to BD by CD by angle similarity. Then fourth one, AB by AC is equal to BD by CD. From 1, AC is equal to CE. Hence, it's proved.